Operating video editing software and being a good video editor, those are two completely different things. You might have Adobe Premiere Pro, but when you upload same video to YouTube, it performs okay. Yet when you put it on Instagram Reels, it flops. Do you know why? Because the audience, attention span, and editing rules for every single platform are completely different. Hi, I am Polash Khan. I am a professional video editor. In this video, I am going to showing you exactly how to change your editing style for YouTube, Facebook Short, Instagram Reels. We will cover how to edit according to the platform, increase your video chance of going viral. First, let's talk about YouTube video. Viewers come here to learn something or watch a complete story. So we don't need a rush, we need clean and smart editing. A smart cut and jump cut in long videos. You must cut out the silence and the ums and between your speech. But remember, using jump cut too often can irritate the viewers. The secret is every time you using jump cut. That's mean cutting between two shots of you talking. Try to cover it with B-roll, image or a screenshot. This deliver information while keeping the editing smooth. For YouTube, your editing must be informative. When you mention a name or a key piece of information, show it on the screen using clean, animated text, sound, SFX. That means give your YouTube audience a little time to process the information. Now let's move to short form content like Facebook Short, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Their viewers make a decision less than 3 seconds. So your editing must be completely aggressive and fast. The first and most important rules for Reels editing: cut your video very quickly. No single shot should last more than 2 seconds. You don't need any transition to go from one shot to the next. Just use the result tools. This is called aggressive cutting. Your goal is show something new on the screen every second. 90% of Reels viewers watch with the sound off. Therefore, every single word you say must appear on the screen as alerts, animated subtitle, highlight every important word with a different color or font. This is not just about providing information, it is a technique to hold on the viewer's attention. Always using trending audio for reels. Then you must sync your video cut to the music. Watch the beat of the music and make your cut accordingly. Remember, in the short form, sound design is king. Now, your editing is perfect, but wrong export setting can ruin everything. For YouTube long video, aim for a target bitrate of 20 to 30 Mbps. For short form content, make sure you use the 9:16 aspect ratio, that's mean vertical, and the target bitrate 10 to 15 Mbps. So friend, you don't become a video editor just by knowing how to cut. The real skill is storytelling and how to cut according to the platform. So friends, see you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.